I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover your eHarmony account. For that, open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now, I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search eHarmony.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on eHarmony's website. Now tap on Forgot Your Login Details, which is on your right hand side. Now enter the email address that is linked to your account and then tap on Request Password. eHarmony will now send you a link to reset your password on your email, so open up your mail. After you open up your mail, tap on Click Here in order to access the link. After that, set a password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure that your password has at least 8 characters and letters, numbers, or special characters. When you are done, tap on Save New Password. Your password is now updated. Tap on Go to Login. Enter your email address that is linked to your account and then enter the password that you have recently set. After you are done, tap on Login with email. This way you can recover your account if you have forgotten your password. Now you can continue to review and communicate with your matches. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.